Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are unable to download apps from the App Store, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that content and privacy restriction is enabled. Then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and tap on installing app and make sure that allow is enabled or selected. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then go back to settings and tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and also check the iOS update. If available, then update your iOS version to a latest iOS version. If you are using any beta version, then remove the beta version and back to the stable version of iOS. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then go back to App Store and tap on a profile icon in top right corner and tap sign out from the App Store. After that, wait for a few seconds, then sign in back. In the end, what we have to do, back to settings and tap general, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Now put the iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.